This November, it's all about the ultimate Black Friday upgrade event at Taylor AutoMall. We're rolling out incredible deals every day, giving you the chance to drive home the Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, or Cadillac of your dreams while saving big. Get ready to play our scratch and match game. With a simple trade appraisal, you could unlock up to $1,500 in upgrade cash. It's your opportunity to take advantage of exclusive Black Friday savings and leave with the perfect ride at a price you'll love. Kicking off our Black Friday extravaganza is GM's employee pricing at Taylor AutoMall. After years of anticipation, you can purchase select vehicles at the same unbeatable price that GM employees pay. It's like a Black Friday jackpot, the savings you've been waiting for. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of a brand new Silverado or Sierra HD, or an eligible full-size Chevrolet, GMC, or Cadillac Escalade with up to $12,500 in cash discounts. Think of it as hitting the high score in savings and cruising home in your dream car. For those who want to save even more, our Canada-wide clearance event is here to deliver. Whether it's zero interest for up to 72 months on approved credit or up to $8,500 in cash credit on select models, our Black Friday deals are designed to keep more money in your pocket while you ride in style. And if going electric is on your mind, Taylor AutoMall has the perfect Black Friday combo with 0% finance rates for up to 72 months on approved credit for select models, up to $5,500 in GM rebates, up to $5,000 from the government, and an additional $1,200 bonus for eligible Costco members. Your electric future starts here. But that's not all. We're adding even more excitement. Let us make you an offer for your current vehicle, and you'll unlock the chance to play our Scratch and Match online game for up to $1,500 in upgrade cash. Don't miss out on these unbeatable Black Friday deals. Head over to Taylor AutoMall this November, where every click of the Play Now button brings you closer to your next big win. Play the Scratch and Match game, and let's turn your automotive dreams into reality with the best Black Friday deals in town. Your next great adventure starts here with up to $1,500 in upgrade cash and exclusive Black Friday offers only at Taylor AutoMall Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac. Game on!